So today's quick tip, we're looking at a mustard seedling. Looks like radish, but it's really mustard. And it's right next to where the beans are just cracking the ground. So we can see a little bit of a trail where the planter went through. And today's quick tip is how to help take care of your weed problem. So we're just at the stage where the beans are going to break the ground. Weeds are starting to germinate. We just got rain yesterday. So if you take the back of a rake and gently level out the soil, not digging too deep, it helps take care of some of the weeds that are germinating without impacting the beans that are planted. So it's a good way before the beans break the ground to take care of your weed problem. Thanks for watching.